How to transfer money from Citigroup Bank to another bank. Let's get started. First, grab your mobile device and open the Citibank app. Log into your account entering the credentials. Once logged in, you will land to the homepage. Now look for the payments icon at the bottom and tap on it. On the next screen, you will see Pay and Transfer option. Tap on it. Then select Add Pay to begin setting up a new bank transfer. A pop-up will appear. Tap again on Add a Payee. Choose United States as the bank location and select the Auto Electronic Transfers for the transfer method. For this tutorial, I'm going to use OPT for instant payment. Next, enter the routing number and the bank account number of the recipient. Then you'll need to input your first and last name. Make sure all the details are correct before you hit next. You'll then be asked to verify your identity. Enter your debit card number and your ATM PIN. Then continue. Once verified, you will be enrolled in instant payments. Now enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the account from where the money will be taken. Review all the details and when you are ready, tap on Send. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap on Yes, Send, and you are done. You have successfully transferred money. Well, this is how you can easily transfer money from Citigroup account to another bank account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.